Welcome back to Recreational Garage. We got our parts from Send Cut Send, so we're going to work on trying to get these hinges, this hinge system built for our fuse panel. What we have to start with is grinding these welds down to make this flat so that these can sit flat on that piece there. And then we're going to tack weld these outer ones on. We'll tack weld these pieces to this piece, and then work on getting the inner ones tack welded as well. And then we'll probably bolt it all up while it's tack welded to see how it looks. We're not going to use this piece of all thread in the end. We're going to put a couple of bolts in here and try to get it on the shoulders and not the threads. But this is going to help us line everything up. So that's what we're going to do. We'll probably do a bunch of welding in this, but hopefully we can get this completely done so that we can start moving on with wiring maybe next week. Anyway, let's get to it and see what we can get done. All right, we made some good progress here. We got our little hinge system all tack welded up. They are some of the ugliest welds I've done, but I have the fuse panel in under here. It still has to be adjusted up a little bit. Let me pull this clamp and you'll see it swings out. Sorry for the noise. Come on. It's a little tight still. I gotta clean it up, but it does that and swings down. And I think, let's get some more light on it. I think that'll be totally easy to be able to see. Now where I need you guys' help is I don't know how to attach this on the other end. I was going to weld on some tabs to this down here and just bolt it up, but I think there's got to be something better. I'm just not sure what. So if you have any ideas of how that can attach to the other piece when it's all tucked up under there, put it down below in the comments. Anyway, a little bit of welding to do left on this, but still pushing forward, still making progress, so we can start wiring this car soon. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.